Good morning. It's Sunday morning. I'm here at my own house today, featuring the Zeta 40P chemical sprayer. This is the soft wash hose system. This is a batch tank right here. I have a batch mixed up. I'm going to clean my wooden fence back here in my backyard, along with some walking stones that you see here. Stuff like that. There's green stuff everywhere. There's some green mold along the banister, if you can see it down the end over there. This fence needs to get hit, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Got a nice 6% mix, and then we'll hit this later on with some Thompson's water seal. But let's do a transition. Let's see how this fence comes out here. All right, let's get after it. All right, the first thing we do is prime this thing out and wait for the solution to come out. So we got 200 feet of hose that's very clean with fresh water, so it'll take a while for this to get going. I went ahead and put a little soap in there so I can see exactly when it's going to hit and get fired up. It takes a few minutes. You hear the sound? More air coming out of the line. That air out. Once you get it going through here, though, it'll be easy going. You know you're really busy when you got to come home and you got to work on Sunday on your own property. But the fence needs to be cleaned. Not too bad right here. It's a nice little shower area. We're hooked up to the aquifer here at the house, so you guys heard of Zephyrhills water, right? Spring water. Well, I'm like hooked into their supply. Okay, here we go. All right. All right, and hit that real nice. See that? You just want to go over it real nice and easy, just like that, eh? That's all you want to do. That's all you need to do to get it to clean up. These walking stones cleaned up. Hit these. Alright, as you can see, I already got some of these done right here. So we're good to go. I got some stuff on this wall here too. See that? Go ahead and hit that. Alright, that's going to be good. All right, let's get after it. Hey, Don here. All right, now as you can see, the fence matches all the way down. All those stepping stones are clean. That's all you really need to do. Now, let it dry out a lot, and then we're gonna come back and hit it with some Thompson's. That'll preserve it for the summer. That's all I do every year. And I got the mold off the porch. Cleaned out the windows. Might as well, right? Anyway, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. It's time to go for a motorcycle ride. Get after it. All right, let's have a look. I hit this fence right here on the inside. This is my wife's hummingbird garden. Those are blue and black salvias in the middle there. They love those. They come in all the time. Like a little tropical paradise back here. All right, I got the water running, so just in case the chlorine is too strong for the grass, which you know it is. I had a slight mist coming off the fence, so I'm running these sprinklers for a little while. There's another blue and black salvia right there. See hummingbirds there every morning. We have one in particular that comes here all the time. And I got this path all done. Goes down to our pool. We had this pool built, custom built 23 years ago. Brought rocks in from Kentucky and North Carolina for the waterfall. And I get some stuff here. It's got to be cleaned out. Anyway, enough about cleaning the pool at the moment. Let's have a look at it. Got a nice waterfall. There's a new basketball hoop I purchased. It's very good exercise. We got all this done here. The path done. It's a nice backyard. Then of course in the summertime when it's too hot and the pool water's too warm, we got a shower. And that shower, 72 degree water comes out of there all year long because we're hooked up to the aquifer. And it's a very pleasant backyard. Definitely can do whatever you want to do back here in private. If you want to come out here in your birthday suit, well, damn it, you can. And if you don't, well, you don't. But anyway, this is our nice, humble abode. We've done a lot of work. When we bought this place, there was nothing here but the house. The pool wasn't here. There was a lot of scrubby trees. I took 16 trees out when I first got here. And I replanted all of these. And my wife maintains this property weekly. She works hard keeping this up. It's a lot of work for one person, but she does an excellent job, and I am a lucky man that I don't have to come home from work and do it. Most men do. All right, I'm Don. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the Sunday and go for a motorcycle ride. I do believe I'm gonna get the 400 Ninja out of the garage for a cruise, and should make for a good day. Those are cannas. Let's have a look. Beautiful. These bulbs grow. My wife's mother, that's where those bulbs came from. She had them up in Nebraska. And this is the black and blue salvia. Hummingbirds love it. And of course we come around out here and we got our night blooming cactus. It's definitely gonna have a couple more blooms, it looks like. Yeah, it is, see? That's a youngin'. There's another youngin'. I am gonna do another time-lapse film. Here's two right here. That ought to be interesting, huh? This is like a prehistoric plant. It is so cool. Then we have this one here. This one's getting to the stage to where it might even bloom later on today. Who knows, right? We'll keep an eye on it, and I am going to do one more time lapse. Then we have ferns. This is a night blooming jasmine. It's got some flowers left on it right now. It's pretty cool. Anyway, this is a really cool part of the yard. I like this part. It's like being in the woods, you know. We got that bottle brush up there. Hummingbirds love those. Then we have what you call a bleeding heart. And there it is right there. See? Anyway, try to present ourselves as neat and clean. Then we got our little dude for the Jehovah's Witness program. It's funny, they were coming up the driveway and then they saw that little dude there and then they turned around and hauled ass. So it works as a good deterrent. And we have other plants over this way. Got some Elephant ears. Over there growing. Mexican petunias. And this bad boy here, this is pretty unique, interesting plant. We have another one that has red flowers on it when it blooms later in the summer. Anyway. And always run that Zeta. It's been running now for about a half hour. Just rinsing some water through it. That keeps the diaphragm rinsed out perfect. You know, you replace that once a year, so that's got the upgraded kit in it. And once again, Ameritech. Ameritech is your go-to place. That's what you call the real deal hose reel right there. Anyway, I'm Don from Supervised Pressure Washing. Enjoy your Sunday and what? Get after it! How's everybody doing today? You guys got a new product?
Yep,
Surfactant that works really good, huh?
try that one out.
Alright. Lemony fresh, right?
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor.
Where you from?
I'm from Long Island, New York, Amityville.
I couldn't have guessed.
I'm the Amityville horror man.